Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is the 6th chapter of my PHP basic lesson. So today I'm going to talk about logic construct. So according to php.net, the documentation for PHP, there are 4 types of logic constructs in PHP. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, actually I have gone through with you all regarding the logic construct yesterday, right? The 5th lesson chapter of the PHP basic, but I'm going to add a little bit more on this logic construct. So let's delete this off. So the first one will be one line, straightforward. Let's say then do what? Echo yes, for example. So this is the first construct that we have, right? So just plain one statement, if, that's it, finish. So it will not print anything. Okay, it's just empty. Let's take off this echo so that it won't disturb so much. All right. So the second construct will when we will have a else statement. Okay. All right. So this is the second construct, and if we refresh it, then it will print a no. Why no? Because the name is not equals to ui. It is concatenate with actually the name is now contains ui su tak, my name. All right. So if not equal to ui, then it will do the else part. Okay. So if then that the third one is else if. Okay, else if, then what? Something like that. Else if name equals to, for example, then echo no. Oh, sorry, echo yes. Right. And then if we, then no. Okay. Okay. All right. So we will do it in this way. So name equals to ui, then print no. Otherwise, if name equals to ui su tak, then print yes. Otherwise, then there is another else. If you want to continue the whole statement, then we will print no. Okay. So this complete the whole else if else if, you know. So let's us refresh and see what's the result. Yes. So we will print a yes. So which yes is this yes? Okay. So we will print this one. Let's say I will change this a little bit. Echo no. Then I will change this to TUC only, so that this will return false. You will print no. All right. Okay. That's about it for if and else. Actually, this statement you can change a little bit and to be like this. Is still valid. Something like this. If else if, okay. Okay, so you will close it. It's an equivalent statement. All right, if you want to do it that way, or else if also can. All right, it's the same logic. It's the same logic. All right. So another one is actually nothing to do with if else, but it's actually a switch directive. No? Okay, it's a switch statement. Case we, then do what? Echo yes we, something like that. Right? Case then echo yes, and break. Case, then echo, something like that. Okay. So if we refresh the browser again, it will show me the correct one. Okay, when it comes here, you will compare. Name, is it Ui? No. Goes to next one. Is it Misutak? No. Is it Misutuk? Yes. Then we will print this one. Okay, you will print this one and then break. So for every switch statement, comparison, there must be a break at the end. Okay, you have to break it. Otherwise, it will always return the last one. Okay, it will always echo yes, Misutak, no matter what is inside the name. Right? So you have to be very careful. This is very easy to make mistake, especially for beginners. Okay, this break has to be added at the end of each case statement. Okay, remember that. Okay, today's sharing is until here. Alright, I hope you liked the video. If you like it, smash the like button, share my video, and subscribe to my channel. Alright, and remember to turn on all notifications. Okay, I will see you next chapter. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.